it's all about a race thing. Because if it was a white person or whoever it be, would have never been in that situation, and you would have heard you. They would never remove it. Me, I got all proof. Hey, ain't got nothing on me. They ain't got no type of birth certificate, nothing. But guess what? I'm still here. Because why? These folks running over here, and they're making anything happen. Everything goes. And why is that? I'm in a country that I don't know nothing of. So you trying to tell me because my parents is from here? And I'm not from here because of my parents is from here? They got the right to just remove me from my own country. American citizen, born in America, and you're gonna remove me. To a place that don't got no type of documents whatsoever.
And they can't find nothing on you in Haiti, like as far as a birth certificate?
These people don't even know who they don't even know I exist.
Wow.
Guess what? I'm still here. I made 2 of them, boy.
Wow.
To a country that I ain't got nobody. You gonna send me to a country I ain't got nobody whatsoever. Not with a dime in your pocket.
Wow.
You understand me? And just say, guess what? Fuck you. Forgive me.
No, understand.
Basically,
We understand.
that's what it is. You feel me? It doesn't matter. Where's the justice? I'm human just like anybody else.
I hear you on that.
When the hell we gonna be treated like human beings? But if it was a white person, they'll never be in that situation. To me, it's always gonna be a race thing. Because that's what they do. You feel me? Because that's we the only ones that suffer. And why we constantly suffer? Because you know why? First of all, let me start by saying this. Why Haiti is still in the situation that we're in today? We still suffering for the same reason why, for freedom, that we fought back in the days. 1804. But we're still struggling now, to this day. When we gonna get help? And the crazy part that's about it is, people forgetting from all top countries. When it was Independence Day, they was coming to Haiti for freedom. It didn't matter who it was, Jamaicans, Africans, Puerto Ricans, Cuban, Mexicans, everybody, New Orleans, everybody was coming over here. You understand me?
I hear you,
we took them all in. It doesn't matter. But guess what? We need help over here. Where everybody at? When Haiti gonna come back where we used to be?